Welcome to this detailed Inkthreadable review, where we'll explore how this platform can transform your print-on-demand and dropshipping experience. Inkthreadable specializes in custom-printed products with an eco-friendly focus. They offer a vast catalog ranging from t-shirts and hoodies to mugs and cushions, catering to a variety of niches. The interface is intuitive, allowing easy integration with platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy. Setting up is straightforward. You upload your designs, sync products to your store, and Inkthreadable handles printing and shipping directly to your customers. One standout feature is the eco-conscious approach. They use water-based inks, recyclable packaging, and even offer a tree planting initiative. Product quality is generally praised, but shipping times can occasionally vary, especially during peak seasons. So plan ahead to maintain customer satisfaction. Struggling to source reliable suppliers for your growing business? With Alibaba.com, you gain access to millions of verified manufacturers offering competitive pricing and global shipping solutions. Worry about quality? Our trade assurance protects your orders, ensuring secure transactions and on-time delivery every time. Registration link, bonus for new users, and many other useful links in the description. However, keep in mind that Inkthreadable's focus on quality and sustainability may come at a slightly higher cost compared to some competitors. Their customer support is responsive and knowledgeable, which can be crucial for resolving issues or inquiries about your orders. This platform is ideal for creators prioritizing customization, eco-friendliness, and seamless integration. Don't forget to hit subscribe and like this video if you found the review helpful. More insightful content is just a click away.